you have great and amazing video ideas, maybe comedy or lifestyle video or whatever, but you don't have a laptop to edit the video, and then it has clamped down on your dream. You have given up on it because you don't have a laptop. Water no more. All right, you don't actually need a laptop to start uploading and making amazing content for YouTube or on YouTube. All right, so in this video I'm going to teach you every damn thing that you need, okay, that you may need, all right, to start at least the basic making video for your YouTube. All right, and it's just as simple as ABC, and that's what I'm going to take you through. All right, so I don't need to go around mentioning you need A, you need B, you need C. All right, a lot of the mistakes a lot of YouTubers they make, like newbies makes. All right, which was actually a problem. Like for me, when I wanted to start YouTube, I started thinking, okay, I need this, I need that, I need that, I need all of this. But in the end, you just need to start. As you go on, you keep on growing and growing and growing. You don't expect yourself to be starting with a zero subscribers and expect to be operating on the standard of those with about 100K or 50K subscribers. All right, at least those persons have some proceed already, but you don't have. So, even if you have the resources to get those things, it would be nice to have a basic. All right, one good thing that I've learned to understand, that I've understood about YouTube, or I've got to understand over time, according to my experience with YouTube, is whatever you're doing, either you're starting with the basic or maybe you're using the smallest of your materials or tool for your video, you have to make sure that whatever you're doing, you are consistent in it. All right, so let's say you're using a mobile phone and maybe you're producing a particular quality of video. Now, let's say your video is on a low, the quality is a bit lower. All right, now consistently, if you're improving, consistently improve on that quality, or it's either you're consistent in that quality or the improvement should be consistent. Not that today you produce the best quality, tomorrow you come down to zero quality. All right, so that's what I'm trying to talk about as regards uh, growth. All right, that's growth when it comes to uh, being consistent. You need to be consistently growing, not that you're growing today, tomorrow you're slacking. It's a very wrong thing. It brings channel from zero to from higher to zero, and from zero to nothing at the end of the day. So what you just need is a good mobile phone, and then you've gotten started with YouTube. Although it may not be as simple as I'm saying, like most person might think, okay, before I start a YouTube, I need a laptop, I need a tripod, I need this. Of course, some of these tools are needed depending on the kind of video that you want to make. But the simplest of it is you need just a good mobile phone, and the editor that you need to start making videos and editing on mobile phone is CapCut, and I've made video on CapCut before now. All right, you need CapCut, and CapCut is totally free of charge. You are not paying anything, you're not doing anything, and you can still edit video and get same quality as you would have gotten from a laptop, from an editor from laptop. So if you have a laptop, some editing apps that you could use for your videos, we have what do they call it? We have Premiere Pro, we have Lightwork. I personally use Lightwork. We have DaVinci Resolve. All right, for DaVinci Resolve, there's a free version, and then for what do they call it, Lightwork, there's a free version. For Premiere Pro, which is what most of those YouTubers already are using. There is a pro version where you have to pay for it. I don't know if there's a real free version. And then there are some other software you can just make your personal research, but I'm just telling you the ones that I'm conversant with. All right, but in most cases, most of the video that I upload in here, all right, most my video doesn't need too much editing. I just come and then I speak because my schedule, I just have to make sure everything is accurate. Then I speak as it is, and then I just cut, join them, and then upload it to you guys. What is important to me is to pass the message rightly to you guys. but it becomes an amazing quality when you are passing a message across to your audience, and then your audience are deriving some fun and enthusiasm from it. And if you are starting out a YouTube and then you need to, and you deem it necessary to pay attention to the editing part of the video, like, yeah, everyone need to pay attention to that, but if you need to pay more attention to it, then I consider it important. Like, you should try your best to do that, but you should make sure that it doesn't derail you from the message, or it doesn't derail you from the main purpose of the YouTube you are starting. So in this video, what we are just going to be talking about is using mobile phone to edit video, and then using CapCut and whatever. So actually, what I'm using to hold my video, my camera right now, I'm using mobile phone right now. What I'm using to hold the mobile phone now is tripod. But initially, what I used was, I just use my hand, all right, or someone does the video for me. But most times, I use my hands before now, all right. In most cases, I don't use tripod all the time, even though I have it. I just use hand, especially when I want to make a quick video, that just to send a quick message out there to you guys. I use my hand, like hold my camera this way, and then edit it, and then send it to you guys. And that's because my channel, my kind of video is not like a comedy kind of video, all right. So those of y'all that want to start a comedy where you have to cut yourself twice and maybe add yourself, all right. So you can actually do a whole lot of this with CapCut, all right. So in this video, I'm just going to demonstrate how you can just, let's say, cut yourself and then add yourself, and then cut yourself, and make it seems like you're speaking to yourself, all right. Make it like adding yourself more than two personalities within the same background, all right, like you do see in some of those comedy kits and whatever. So if you that's what you need to do, that you want to do for your video, I'm just going to show you how it works, all right. So you can literally do anything with your CapCut and still get the best quality that you could have ever gotten from a laptop, all right. So this is not all about CapCut review. I've done CapCut review before now, and I'm still going to do in the future, but for now, let us stick to this particular feature. So now, this feature is just teaches how to duplicate yourself and then add different characters within your video. All right. So let's just get started. Hello. Hey, my name is Barino. I'm Ramsey. Oh, Ramsey. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. So, what do you do? Okay. I'm a forex trader. Oh, you're a forex trader. I'm a YouTuber. Oh, you're a YouTuber. Oh, that's nice meeting you once again. Meeting you too. All right. See you.